Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate juice. First, gather your ingredients. You will need 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 cup of your preferred milk, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar or another sweetener. A tiny pinch of salt is also essential to bring out the rich chocolate flavor. This simple combination forms the base of a delightful beverage. Next, let's create a smooth chocolate base. In your mug, combine the cocoa powder, sugar, and that pinch of salt. Add about 2 tablespoons of hot water to this dry mixture. Stir everything together very well until you have a thick, glossy paste. This step is crucial for preventing lumps and ensuring a perfectly smooth chocolate juice. Now, it's time to add the milk. Gradually pour 1 cup of cold milk into your chocolate paste, stirring continuously. Keep stirring until the chocolate is completely dissolved and the mixture is uniform. Give it a quick taste and add more sugar if you prefer it sweeter. For the best experience, chill your chocolate juice for at least 15 minutes before enjoying. Your delicious homemade chocolate juice is now ready to enjoy. Serve it chilled for a refreshing treat. You can elevate your drink by adding a dollop of whipped cream or some chocolate shavings on top. Feel free to experiment with a few drops of vanilla extract or a dash of cinnamon for extra warmth and flavor. Enjoy your personalized chocolate creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.